Mentah kesini ke Umphernai Presbyterian Secondary School kelarke ya ke jingdap nyo pusan snem na do balasang ya ka ban mentah kesini ke shpau truk no pra arjar pusan kelarke ya ke platinum jubilee ha ke jingdan lang ki pajba bat ki kena school ha ke jingkran menteri rang ba ke jelau konrad ke sang ma ko mukongsan lo ai ke jingiro ya ke ni ke school ke bala ai ke jing syakri mentah nyo pusan teligi snem ya ke ni ke tan ha ke puli puthi ban kentiu ya ke jing nang jing start ya ki khon samla Menteri Rang Bau lokran ba kejing nang jeng star kede we na kipaya bekongsan na kebenta kenu keri bakan kius prang long bahaus nem arjar kat prada kejing kerku turai kendrat bat kejing eki pai ba le yo ban taw ya ke sorkar bat kile yo ban penya mentah nyo snem steng Menteri Rang Bau ong bau sngoto kanu kejing ke bakinang penya ya kini ke skul kile syak stem ha kini kenyo pusan snem Wai kuble ya syong konor presiden bat ki badan keti ki balala ban penya ya kini ke skul hap dang shibon ki jing kabala ai ke jing syakri ki brio jong kini ke jylla ha ke puli puti ha kini ke sngila dan lang MLI berrem kanong krem ubak lambor malnyang kinang penya ya kini ke skul ki kena skul ki brio na kabalang bat ki kmi ki pa jong ki kena.
Friends, education has been one of the most important pillars for any great nation to move forward. In 2018, with God's blessing and the love of the people, we were able to form the government and run it for the last 7.5 years. And during this period, education has been one of the top priorities for us. When we started, there was a budget of 2,000 crores which was spent on education. Today, in 7.5 years' time, that budget has increased from 2,000 crores to 3,500 crores. There were many schools, including government schools, whether LP, upper primary, secondary, higher secondary, even colleges, which did not have proper infrastructure, most of them. But through different programs and schemes of the government, we have ensured that different building structures, different infrastructures have been given to many schools in the state. I'm not saying that we have completed our journey. There is a long way to go, but we have made the start. And today, slowly and steadily, the important infrastructures in different schools are being upgraded. We had a huge problem, and even today we have a problem of having large number of teachers which, as per the Government of India's standards, goal that was set for you, is the reason why today, even after 75 years and the biggest struggles that the school has had, this school still continues to serve the youth, the children, and the people of this village and the state as a whole. I congratulate all the past managing committee chairmen, presidents, members, principals, teachers, students. This may look like a very simple thing for many, many people watching from outside. But the story and the journey that you have taken to build this school brick by brick, in the face of all the challenges that were there,